The French Armed Forces Procurement Agency, the Direction Générale de l'Armement (DGA), has announced a significant upgrade to the French Navy's air defense capabilities. This enhancement focuses on the Hauturiers multi-role patrol ships and combat support vessels, with the addition of the SIMBAD-RC, Self-Protection Integrated Missile Air Defense Remote-Controlled system. This new acquisition is a crucial part of the French Navy's ongoing efforts to strengthen its defense infrastructure. The SIMBAD-RC is a compact, versatile air defense system that uses the MISTRAL surface-to-air missile to protect naval vessels from a wide array of airborne threats. This missile system brings a highly effective self-defense solution, equipping French ships with enhanced protection against various targets. It will improve the Navy's ability to secure its assets in increasingly contested environments, particularly as modern naval warfare continues to evolve. The system is designed to counter a broad spectrum of airborne threats, including anti-ship missiles, aircraft, helicopters, and even asymmetric surface threats. One of its standout features is its ability to engage multiple targets at once, making it especially effective in modern combat scenarios where threats often come from multiple directions or in waves. Thanks to its small size, the SIMBAD-RC system can be installed on a variety of naval platforms, from small patrol boats to larger combat support vessels. Its flexibility ensures that it won't compromise the ship's existing operational capacity, making it an ideal solution for a diverse range of ships used in everything from traditional naval warfare to peacekeeping and maritime security missions. The system operates with the MISTRAL missile, known for its supersonic speed and ability to engage targets at both low and high altitudes. With a range of up to 8 kilometers and a minimum interception range of just 500 meters, the MISTRAL missile can neutralize fast-moving threats at close quarters. Its fire-and-forget capability allows the missile to autonomously home in on targets after launch, freeing up personnel to focus on other tasks or counter additional threats. The SIMBAD-RC system's ability to defend against asymmetric threats, such as UAVs and cruise missiles, is a major advantage. As smaller, less conventional adversaries increasingly deploy these low-cost, high-impact weapons, the SIMBAD-RC offers a cost-effective way to counter these emerging dangers. This ensures the French Navy ships remain protected in a wide range of operational environments, from high-risk regions like the Mediterranean and Indo-Pacific to more unpredictable scenarios. In addition to its role as a standalone defense system, the SIMBAD-RC can also integrate into larger air defense networks, adding an important layer of protection within a multi-tiered defense strategy. This layered defense approach ensures that no single point of failure will compromise the security of French naval vessels, keeping them prepared for whatever threats may arise. The decision to equip the Hauturiers ships with the SIMBAD-RC comes at a time when air defense has never been more crucial. With the rise of advanced anti-ship missiles, drones, and other aerial threats, the need for effective defense systems is greater than ever. The SIMBAD-RC will ensure that French ships are ready to face these challenges head-on. Moreover, this acquisition aligns with France's broader military strategy of maintaining autonomy in defense capabilities. While NATO provides collective defense, the ability to defend independently, especially in regions outside NATO's protection structures, is essential for national security. The SIMBAD-RC system provides French warships with a robust self-defense capability, enabling them to operate effectively even without immediate Allied support. In conclusion, the addition of the SIMBAD-RC system to the French Navy's fleet represents a significant step forward in naval defense. By enhancing the Navy's ability to defend against a wide range of airborne threats, the French armed forces are ensuring the safety and operational readiness of their vessels for years to come. With its multi-threat capabilities, flexibility, and integration potential, the SIMBAD-RC is set to play a crucial role in modernizing France's naval defense strategy.